Good morning, traders. Nick Mastrandeo, Market Tea Leaves, here to bring you our daily market bias video for Thursday, September 4th. It's approximately 5:30 a.m. on the East Coast. We're going to take a look at the overnight session. Asia closed mainly lower, with the exception of the Shanghai Exchange, which traded up somewhat. Currently, right now in Europe, and this is current and ongoing, all of Europe is pretty much trading to the downside, with the exception of the London FTSE Exchange, but this is only up fractionally. Now we're going to take a look at market correlation as it stands. Currencies in terms of the U.S. dollar is trading down. Energies in terms of crude is also trading down. There is no correlation between the U.S. dollar and crude as this broadcast. Financials in terms of the bonds are trading higher. They've been flip-flopping between positive and negative territory pretty much all morning long, and currently right now they're trading higher. Indices in terms of the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average, all pretty much pointing to a lower open. Metals in terms of gold is trading up, but it's trading up pretty much fractionally, if you will. It's not advancing by leaps and bounds. Now we're going to take a look at the economic news on the docket for the U.S. markets today. Today we do have quite a bit, approximately 11 or 12 different economic reports, most of which considered to be major. And it pretty much starts off at 7:30 a.m. With the challenge of job cuts. Again, at 7:30 a.m., something else we want to make mention is at 7:45 a.m. there will be a decision on the minimum bid rate for the European markets. This is the equivalent of the federal overnight rate for the U.S. So right now the European Central Bank is meeting, and they are very much likened to the Federal Reserve, only for Europe. At 8:15 we have ADP non-farm employment change. At 8:30 we have trade balance unemployment claims, which is usual and customary for Thursday. We have revised numbers for non-farm productivity and unit labor costs. Again, given that these are revised numbers, they don't have as much weight as preliminaries. At 9:45 we have final services. At 10 a.m. we have ISM non-manufacturing PMI. This is considered to be major. And at 10:30 we have natural gas storage, which is usual and customary for Thursday. However, at 11 a.m. we have crude oil inventories. Again, this was due to the Labor Day holiday on Monday. At 12:30, to top it all off, at 12:30 we have an FOMC member speaking. We also have some others speaking as well, but that's going to be later on in the evening after the U.S. markets close. So, there's no real concern in terms of what they will say relative to the markets today. All this being said, our bias is neutral. And the reason why we're suggesting this is very simply because we have a tsunami, a virtual tsunami, if you will, of economic report and data that's going to be released today. Any one of these reports could drive the markets in any particular direction today. And currently right now, the markets aren't really showing its hand in terms of direction. Ordinarily, I might say that a bias would be to the downside. However, this could change, and it could change very rapidly. Again, our bias is neutral. Neutral bias means the markets could go in any direction. Best course of action on a day like today is wait till all the economic news comes out. In other words, wait till after 10 a.m. when ISM non-manufacturing PMI is released. Gauge market direction accordingly, and then make your decision accordingly before committing any of your hard-earned trading capital. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.